Howdy ho, bitches. What's going on? Feel like having a snack, and I need to make something for supper later on. It's too early for supper today. Late afternoon. It's a beautiful day out there. So let's get out there and cook some fucking pork chops. Woo! Cheers, big ears. 25th day of March, 2018. Basic, 2 pork chops. One for a snack, one for later. Or maybe I won't have a snack. Maybe I'll have one for today and one for tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe tomorrow's lunch will be one. Plain and simple. Washed, dried, bastard rub. That's it. Nothing else. Put your favorite rub on your chops. I'm not teaching you how to make chops. This is just what I'm fucking doing. No sauce today, nothing. Just a bit of BR. Both sides. Plain and simple. We go outside. Just fucking let her rip. Good enough. Okay. Charcoal's almost ready. Woo! Basic. Easy. Maybe peasy. Alright. We'll be outside in a minute. Woo! Howdy ho, bitches. I don't even know why I'm filming this. Waste of bandwidth, maybe? I don't know. Something to do. Only using a small chimney. That's all we need. This won't take long. Won't take long at all. We've got to happen here. Alright. Get in there. Yasha. Good enough. Oh, there's some scummies on here from the last cook. Let's burn that off. Alright, we'll get that going. I'll go get a new beer. And we'll throw these bastards on there. Cheers, big ears. Woo! Oh, fuck, that's good. Vai, kagarshik said. Paldies. Alright, we're back. Cheers, big ears. They say 25th of March. Snow should be gone by the end of the week. It's supposed to warm up, so that's kind of nice. Looking forward to that. It is, after all, spring now. We've had enough of winter. Winter can go away. And these won't take long at all. Fuck. Less than 15 minutes they're done. Probably done in about 10 to 12. Alright. That's all there is to it. Clean up the plate, drink some more beer, and we're done. RTFO. Yeah. Hey, we're back. It's been probably about 7 minutes. Flip these babies over. Oh yeah. Nice. Perfect. Gotta love the pork chops. Woo! Getting windy out. Storm is coming. Tomorrow. Alright. Or the next day. I don't know. It's supposed to rain one of these days. Alright. I think we're good to go. Gotta get a new beer. These little guys didn't take long at all. Nice. A little snacky. And supper for later. Alright. Let that shit burn off. Let's get inside. Taste these puppies out, and we can open a new fucking beer too. How about that? Alright, bitches. Rip one of these bastards open. I need to go to Buddy's place and get high. And I'll be back for supper. Oh, battery's down. Better do this quick. Let's open this crispy crittered one. I'm gonna save you for later. I'm saving this one for later too. Of course it's done. It's not so juicy, but I don't give a fuck. It's only thin chop. Fuck me. God love pork chops, eh? Fuck yeah. I like it. This was a last minute decision. I actually wasn't gonna eat supper today, but fuck it. I got chops in the freezer. Let's take them out. Woo! Alright. So that's it. Short, sweet, and that's it. No bullshit. Woo! Bastard rub. No bullshit. Cheers, big ears.